Good morning, welcome to Full Circle Ozarks.
Hello, Full Circle Ozark families. Another beautiful morning out here, and it's time to put some windows in the shop. So we're going to get those in so we can hopefully start the sheet metal here maybe this afternoon or tomorrow. So I'm going to be working on the windows. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy it. We go on the other side, make sure we're level. That's perfect. I think it's time to put a screw in. Well, I like the way that's coming together. I'll get some more screws in this, and we'll call this one here done. Well, I put a screw in every hole on the window, pretty much, except at the top there. And I'll get back up there and put a couple of screws in there. But, out of curiosity, I'm not a professional builder, so how many nails if you're going into a wood frame, or how many screws do you normally put in something like this? Do you put a screw in every slot? For myself, I think I'm choosing to do every slot there just to keep things straight. So anyway, interested in your comments on that. Well, as you can see, I got screws in each location. The window's level. It opens and closes very, very well. So we're calling this window done. We'll move on to the next one now. First shot, perfectly level. Well, as I hear a lot of my friends say, when you tighten something like that down a little bit, that ain't going nowhere now, and I like it. Well, I'll put some more screws in this off camera. We'll need to bore you with that. So anyway, window number 2 installed. Okay, got the last window installed, all the screws in it. It opens and closes really well. It's all level. I'm happy with it. So now we'll go on to the next step. So stay tuned. Well, we're still making a lot of progress. I just framed out a place to mount my 200 amp electrical service. So we're getting ready to set the box in place. So That went pretty quick. Okay. I'm going to take this knockout here out. Got plenty of locations for breakers. I decided to go ahead and put a 200 amp service out here because I know I'm going to have an air compressor or a welder. May have a plasma cutter and a few other things, so I wanted to make sure I had the slots for it, so I went ahead and done the 200 amp. So anyway, it's all put in. I still got to run the actual main power down and get that wired in. I've got it right here at the corner of the shop, so I've got a little bit of trench work to do and get that wired in, and we're good to go then. So hope you enjoy this. So stay tuned and you'll see more of this kind of stuff coming soon. We're going to get this shop built.
This by far was one of the worst part of the cleanup that had to be done because the foundation wasn't square. I ended up having to cut off an 1.5 inches of the concrete there in order for the sheet metal to fit properly. So as you can see, this was a very dusty portion of it, and there was just no easy way to get down and show you what was happening. But just suffice it to say, this was a dusty job to cut that concrete out. But at the end of the day, I got it done, and again, we're getting this shop built, and we're getting ready to put sheet metal on it. So thank y'all so much for watching. Have a good day, and God bless.